Yo, what is going on, guys? Today we are back on the charts going over two trades I took. This one I took 2 days ago. This one I took yesterday. Let's go over the one I took 2 days ago first. So I first marked off this 1 hour bearish fair value gap, and then I scaled down to a lower time frame. I saw as we exited right here, we had a 5 minute right here that got respected. Actually, I didn't even wait for it to get respected. I kind of just hopped in. You can see how I kind of lost this trade as well. Another thing is it was made right here, and we clearly had an entry right here, and then we saw that this fair value gap was right here. It got invalidated since it got inversed, so that would have been a sign for me to be like, this was not a good trade to take. But I didn't listen to that. I was eager to get into a trade, and I did not follow my rules. And we ended up taking a pretty bad loss here. I think it was like, what was it? $282. That was not very good. But I mean, yeah, we tried to. We were like right here was like looking like it was gonna be good, but then we just escalated very quickly up here, and it ended up hitting our stop loss. So wasn't the best trade. I also took it very late at night, but I mean I take all my trades pretty late, so wasn't the best one. Definitely lots to improve on in there. You can see this wasn't an untouched fair value gap, and this got like inversed. This previous fair value gap right here got inversed, causing the price to go up. And then the next one I took was actually a good win that we had. This one was like right before market closed for the weekend. I went to the 1 hour and I marked out this bearish fair value gap right here. Then I scaled down to the 5 minute, and I saw that we did get a little tap in right there into the big bearish fair value gap, and we closed bearish. We also opened up this this bearish fair value gap as well as this one, and this is the one that I kind of took because since this actually did not get inverse, because when there's like a strong down move and there's like multiple fair value gaps, you need all of them to get inversed for it to be a true inversion. So as you can see, this one did get inversed right here, but this one did not, and it ended up tapping and closing bearish and continuing to go further down. So I waited for price to close completely out of this, and I took a trade right here. I took a short on this one. I scaled down to the 1 minute as well to look for. I looked for right here. This was strong. We ended up breaking structure to the downside, and it was a big strong move to the downside. So I ended up taking the short there, putting my stop loss at it was like a 1-to-1 that I kind of did. There wasn't really any like targets. I just did like a normal like 1-to-1 risk to reward, and it ended up hitting for about $130. Made back half of what I lost, but also made a couple on about two days ago. So yeah, it was actually pretty good trades. Or this one was a pretty good trade, but this one, a lot to work on, lot to improve on, and I actually used the stuff that I learned from this trade, I used onto this trade to end up taking a win. So stepping in the right direction. Hopefully I'm going to be able to buy my prop firm very soon and scale up to potentially get like actual payouts and end up making actual money off of this. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you all in the next one. Peace out.